Hey guys, today I'm really excited because I just received this really nice semi-flush low-profile ceiling fan with light for viewing purposes. So let's take it out of the box that it comes with. First thing we see is the user manual with all the important information about this ceiling fan, all the instructions on how to install it and everything, and how to connect it to the application that you can use, which I think that it's great. Okay, let's take everything out of the box. These are the fan blades. As you can see, they are clear, which I think that it's nice. They are gonna look perfect with the combination of colors, which I think it's gonna be perfect. In here we got the light. They are LEDs and they have this really beautiful pattern that I think that it's really, really nice. It has like blisters and this is the connection. In this bag, we get the remote control with the remote control instructions, each button, what it does and everything, and even got a base so you can install it up on the wall, which I think that it's great, okay? You also get a set of batteries to use it with the remote control, which I think that it's really nice that you get included, okay? And under everything else, we get the proper main unit. And as you can see, it's quite small and it doesn't take up that much space, which I think that is nice. We get the safes that we're gonna place onto the fan blades so they don't get out. And lastly, we get all the screws and everything that you are gonna need to do this installation, which I think that it's great. So let's go. So to install this fan blade, we need to first set up all the lights. Okay, they are going around and they enter and connect there upon the receiver of the main unit, and we press on the main unit body so everything is safe. Okay, after that, we're gonna place the fan blades in the main unit and place the base upon the ceiling. Okay, once that we have the base already set up, we're gonna go ahead and just do the simple wiring which is required to do this installation, and that's it. Once that we have the app connected up on the fan, we can turn it on or off with this button. We can change the light. Right now, as you can see, it's cold white, but we can get it colder, a warm white, or a neutral white. Set it up for a night mode, change the colors. Also, we can adjust the brightness with this slider, which I think that it's great and makes it really, really easy, okay? With this other button, we can turn on the fan, and with this top wheel upon it, we can change all the different velocities, which I think that is nice. We can also set it up for a natural wind or for a different speed if you want it. As you can see, we can just slide it up for our desired speed, which I think that it's great. It's a total of 6 speeds, and it's actually really, really silent. It doesn't make that much noise, and it's really, really easy to be controlling it through the application, which is great. You can also control it with the remote control that comes included with all the same basic configurations, which I think that it's great. And overall, because it's really, really nice and it was easy to install, I will really recommend it. See you guys.